Did you know that the average American consumes around 17 teaspoons of added sugar every single day? That's almost triple the recommended amount. And here's the shocking part. Sugar doesn't just add calories, it's silently messing with your energy, your skin, your mood, and even your sleep. So what happens if you cut out added sugar for just 7 days? Well, today we're diving into exactly that, the 7-day no sugar challenge that could transform your health, body, and mind in just 1 week. Now, let's jump right into the 7-day no sugar challenge. Why sugar is a silent enemy? Let's be real. Sugar is everywhere, from your morning coffee creamer to that so-called healthy granola bar to sodas, sauces, and even bread. The problem is not natural sugar found in fruits or milk. Those are okay in moderation. The real enemy is added sugar, the one food manufacturers sneak into almost everything. Consuming too much added sugar spikes your blood sugar, makes you feel energized for a moment, then crashes you down, leaving you tired, craving more sugar, and stuck in a cycle. And over time, excess sugar contributes to weight gain, low energy, brain fog, bad skin, and higher risk of lifestyle diseases. So the question is, what if we take a stand for just 7 days? What if we challenge ourselves to go completely sugar-free for 1 week? That's where the magic begins. Here's how you're going to take control of your week, step by step. Day 1. Awareness and detox kickoff. Start by removing all obvious sugary foods, candies, cookies, soda, packaged juices. Read labels. Anything with corn syrup, dextrose, maltose, cane sugar, out. Drink plenty of water and green tea to flush out toxins. Tip: if cravings hit, eat fruits like berries or apples. Natural sugar plus fiber equals steady energy. Day 2. Replace and reset. Replace sugary breakfast cereals with oatmeal topped with fresh fruit. Instead of soda, go for sparkling water with lemon or cucumber. If you crave dessert, try Greek yogurt with cinnamon. 0 added sugar, but feels like a treat. Tip: keep nuts and seeds handy for snacking. They kill cravings and keep you full. Day 3. Stabilize your energy. By now, your body is craving sugar less, but your energy might feel low. Focus on protein plus fiber-rich meals. Grilled chicken, beans, lentils, veggies. Add healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. These balance your blood sugar and reduce cravings. Tip: a 10-minute walk after meals helps your body stabilize blood sugar naturally. Day 4. Beat the afternoon crash. Normally, by 3 p.m., many people grab a candy bar or soda. Instead, prepare a no-sugar energy booster. Handful of almonds plus unsweetened coffee, or hummus with veggie sticks. Stay hydrated. Dehydration often feels like sugar cravings. Tip: keep a water bottle with you. Add lemon, mint, or cucumber for flavor. Day 5. Notice the difference. Around day 5, most people start noticing improvements. Better sleep, clearer skin, more stable energy throughout the day. Stay consistent. Cravings will come, but you're stronger now. Tip: journal your progress. Write how you feel morning versus night. You'll see real changes. Day 6. Power up your motivation. Now your taste buds are resetting. Foods like fruit will taste sweeter naturally. You'll start enjoying the real flavors of food without needing added sugar. Share your journey with a friend or on social media. Accountability boosts success. Tip: try healthy homemade recipes like banana pancakes, just banana and eggs, sweet without sugar. Day 7. Celebrate your victory. Congratulations! You've completed the 7-day no sugar challenge. Today, reflect. Do you feel lighter, more focused, less bloated? Decide your next step. Either continue sugar-free or reintroduce sugar mindfully, like a treat, not a habit. Tip: don't binge sugar after the challenge. It can shock your system. Instead, treat yourself with dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa. So why is this challenge so powerful? Let's break it down. Energy levels. Without sugar spikes, your energy becomes steady. No more sugar crashes. Better sleep. Sugar interferes with melatonin, the sleep hormone. Less sugar means deeper sleep. Weight control. Cutting sugar lowers insulin spikes, which means your body stores less fat. Skin health. Sugar causes inflammation and breakouts. After 7 days, your skin looks fresher. Mood and focus. Sugar highs and lows mess with your brain. A sugar detox gives you mental clarity. Science proves that even a short sugar break helps your body reset its metabolism and reduces cravings. I know what you're thinking, but it's so hard to give up sugar. Yes, it's tough, but remember this. Every time you say no to sugar, you're saying yes to more energy, better health, and a stronger you. Think of it as a 7-day investment in yourself. You've handled tougher challenges in life, right? This is just 1 week. And the best part? After this challenge, sugar loses its control over you. You'll taste freedom, literally. So don't quit. Push through. You've got this. Here are some simple hacks to make your challenge easier at home. Meal prep. Cook simple, clean meals in advance so you don't grab sugary snacks. Spice it up. Use cinnamon, vanilla, or nutmeg to add sweetness without sugar. Frozen grapes or dates, perfect natural sweet tooth savers. Sleep early. Late nights equal more cravings. Brush your teeth after dinner. Trick your brain into thinking eating time is over. So guys, that was your 7-day no sugar challenge. Just 1 week can make such a massive difference to your health, energy, and mindset. And who knows, maybe this challenge will be the start of a completely new lifestyle for you. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Even if you slip once, get back up and keep going. If you enjoyed this challenge, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to FitFusion USA for more life-changing health challenges and fitness tips. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you ready to take on the no sugar challenge? Comment yes below and let's do this.